Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this video is basically for Maryam Muhammad Arif and some other people who notice that I'm reading a book by Hitler. It's written by Hitler. It's an autobiography and the title of the book is Mein Kampf. So these people notice that I've been reading this book and they wanted me to share a few snippets from the book. So this video is basically for all of those who wanted to learn a little from it. But let me tell you, let me give you a disclaimer that there are many things that we should learn from this book and there are many things that we should not learn from this book. So let's begin with today's video. A very interesting thing that I have so far come across in this book is an event in which Hitler goes to the Parliament of Vienna. He sits there and he sees these democratic officials who are given the task of running a particular department in Vienna sitting and talking about a certain issue. He mentions that they talk and talk for hours, and by the end of that session, nothing is achieved. Something that we see happening in our National Assembly and provincial assemblies all the time. Hitler went on to say that this is one reason why I prefer dictatorship over democracy. And he gave a beautiful example, a very good analogy to help us understand how democracy and dictatorship stand against each other and how dictatorship is something that should be preferred over democracy. Please, repeating, these are not my thoughts, these are Hitler's thoughts. So Hitler said that democracy is like having this big pail of water and there are hundreds of people holding these little vessels in which you pour out from that pail of water. And because everybody has a lot of water, so if these people are moving around and a little fell outside their vessels, they don't bother because they have this thought that even if my water has fallen outside, there are so many other people having that water, which rings so strangely true. Moving on, Hitler says, when there is a dictator over you, that dictator holds that entire pail, that entire bucket of water over his head. So he knows that he's fully accountable, he's fully responsible, even if a drop of water falls out of that bucket. This rings extremely true, although it's a surprise that I am talking about dictatorship. I am a very democratic person, but I think the concept and the analogy that Hitler has given, there could have been no better example to justify that he loved dictatorship more than democracy. And as a victim of democracy, I feel that this is something that should be thought about.